So what? Hold on a second. Say that again now.
Sir, she did an excellent job on the ops. So, we just decided that we're going to treat her.
Oh, we're not going to treat her.
Yes, sir.
So, a company money I use? And you make it seem like a your money?
Bite your tongue. When you mean company money?
You know me will cancel that order, you don't.
No. I think I wanna change my order. Can I get 4, 5, and 6?
Sir, the truth is, she deserved it. She did an excellent job. She made 9 females who it seemed like they were about to lose their business. They got it back.
I hear you. Truth be told, I agree with you in principle. So make them pay for it. That way you can get 7, 8, and 9 too. And order 10 for me.
Why? Let's take a different turn, boss.
Young lady. Very, very good work. Exceptional as a matter of fact. I only need to know one thing. How did you get the company's office to give you the documents altered to their original state?
All the documents had discrepancies.
What kind of discrepancy?
People's signature was in the wrong place. Certain clauses were crossed out and rewritten.
And you noticed this?
Sir, I went through the documents with a fine teeth comb. We'll go down there and tell them so everybody are going to lose them job.
You amaze me.
Sir, a prison work that, it obviously somebody a take money for fix the document them.
And you know what else you have done? You have now given us a key and the lock to the company's office. They belong to us now.
That is why we threatened them.
I tell you what. Lunch is on me.
That means we can order 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah, when I see a boat, yeah?
Use the one. I mean, if there's a problem, I cannot order for me and Tony.
Very demure.
I know she favor you there.
Yeah, I'm going to do that, yeah.
I hate to bring up work, but what's next on the agenda?
Sir, I saw Siva on camera dressed like a female. I'm still in a Spanish town.
So what? Him turn trans?
Sir, I sent a team over there to scour the area. And no sign, nothing.
Yeah, I know what I said. I'm not thinking that far. I think I'm still not the area.
Only problem now is, are we looking for Siva or Siver?
The area we see him close to 21. We might need to do a house to house.
No. We just calm down 21. And we're going to dig it back up again by going house to house?
No, I don't see that neither. Better we move forward with plan B.
You mean the setting up of the stalls? Okay. I spoke to a couple of the sleepers recently. They'll be ready very shortly.
In the meantime, Whisper, tell Butcher and Itis to keep them eyes open and them ears to the ground. In case him decide to go over that side.
Talk to Hittis and him make me know say Butcher head not really in the game right now.
I wonder why. Are there cameras over 13 and 14?
Yes, sir. But they need to be serviced. I'm only seeing part of the area.
The areas that are up and running, do they cover where Hittis and Butcher live?
No, sir. Just the walk-through areas that lead to the shop.
Yes, sir. I feel like we need to move in as soon as possible.
For now, make them feel comfortable. Don't wild them. And then we're going to get the drone up and running. Yes, I saw the invoice.